Good afternoon. Dear students, today we are discussing a very important topic and very interesting topic, that is plumbosolvency. Now as the name indicates, plumbo means plumbum, that is lead, Pb its symbol, and solvency means dissolution. So dissolution of lead in any solvent. The solvent that here we are taking is water. So dissolution of lead in water is known as plumbosolvency. We have discussed two types of water, soft water and hard water. Now what happens in soft water? You know that in soft water the less amount of salts are present. So it is slightly acidic in nature as compared to hard water. And that soft water has tendency to dissolve lead in it. It dissolves lead in it and forms a poisonous chemical, that is lead hydroxide, PbOH whole twice. This is a very poisonous chemical and it affects our brain, our digestive system, and causes too many types of health problems. It should be avoided. And you know, in previous years we were using lead pipes in our homes for carrying water. So what happened? If that lead pipe which is carrying soft water, then it has the tendency to dissolve lead, means plumbosolvent. The soft water is plumbosolvent and affects the health of people. But we are blessed with hard water. The water that we consume in our homes, the water that is supplied by the municipal corporation, it is not soft water, it is hard water. It has near about 100 or 110 or 150 ppm hardness in it. So that is hard water. So this is the blessing. The hard water is not plumbosolvent, but the soft water is. So what happens? The hard water is not plumbosolvent, means the hard water has not the capacity to dissolve the lead in it. And due to this, we are escaped from the formation of this, you can say, a poisonous salt, that is lead hydroxide. So this is only due to hard water, because hard water has certain types of salt dissolved in it, which makes it quite alkaline. And due to that, if the water is alkaline, then it is not plumbosolvent. It do not allows the lead to dissolve in it. So it is suggested, if soft water is used, though we are not using soft water, and nowadays we are not using lead pipes also, plastic pipes are there, but still we should know the fact that soft water is plumbosolvent. It has tendency to dissolve lead in it. So if we are carrying soft water through lead pipes, then it is suggested that some amount of lime should be added to it to make it alkaline, or the pH is to be maintained up to more than 7.5 ppm. Then only the soft water will not be plumbosolvent and it will not dissolve the lead in it. And the hard water, it don't have the tendency to dissolve the lead, so we don't have any problem, though we are using plastic pipes nowadays, so that is no problem. But still, if the lead pipes are used to carry the water, so it is suggested that either what we can do, we can let some amount of water flow, then use that water, or it is suggested to add some lime, so that the alkalinity of water increases and it doesn't allow the lead to dissolve in it. Okay, so this is plumbosolvency, the characteristic of soft water to dissolve lead in it, and it should be avoided if we are using water for drinking. Okay, so have a nice day to all of you, and in the next class we will be discussing some other important topic.